Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting the files onto the PC, plug your iPhone into USB, or make sure iCloud Photos has synced. Once done, open the Photos app or install a viewer that supports live photo pairs, because live photos are two files, a still JPG plus a short MOV. Make sure your import settings allow both file types, otherwise you'll only get the still image. This avoids missing the motion layer, which is essential to recreating the live photo experience. Now you import and pair the media. Drag or import both the JPG and its matching MOV into the same folder. If they don't match, rename the MOV to the same base name as the JPG, IMG 1234. JPG and IMG 1234. MOV, so pairing tools can detect them. Then open a player or live photo app on PC that recognizes pairs and plays them as one. You do this because the player needs both components to show the brief motion. Finally, play the paired files in your chosen app. If you need wider compatibility, export the MOV as MP4 or create a GIF for sharing. If the MOV won't play, install VLC or the necessary codec, because many default players lack Apple's codec support. And if you don't see motion, check that both the JPG and MOV are present and share the same file name. If they don't, rename or re-import. This single troubleshooting step fixes most missing motion problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.